Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for one of the best system monitoring apps on Linux, there's good news. Mission Center 1.2.0 has officially arrived, bringing new hardware stats, smoother performance, and several quality of life improvements. Let's check out what's new. The biggest addition is a brand new battery page in the Performance tab. Laptop users can now monitor battery usage and history, while supported wireless peripherals like keyboards or mice can also display battery information. The disk page is now much more useful, showing per partition usage with used and free space, making it easier to identify where your storage is going. CPU monitoring has also improved. A new graph can display CPU temperature, power consumption, or CPU frequency, giving you more insight into your processor's performance. Memory monitoring now includes zRAM and zswap compression statistics, while the GPU page lets you switch between encode, decode activity, clock speeds, power draw, or temperature, depending on your hardware and drivers. Behind the scenes, Mission Center now features a redesigned graph engine for smoother animations. On slower systems, you'll briefly see animated placeholder graphs while data loads, making it clear the app is still working. Another welcome feature is the new first run setup assistant. Advanced metrics like CPU power draw, fan speeds, and per process network usage require additional permissions. Mission Center now prompts you to run a setup script, and you can even preview it before deciding whether to continue. This release also improves distribution packages. The Snap version now uses the Core 2.4 runtime, while the app image is smaller, launches faster, and no longer requires Fuse. Power users will appreciate new keyboard shortcuts too. Hold Ctrl to pause live updates. Use Alt plus number keys to switch pages. Press F9 to toggle the sidebar. And use the arrow keys to expand or collapse application lists. Version 1.2.0 also fixes several bugs, including CPU temperature reporting on the Steam Deck, blurry icons on high DPI displays, phantom CPU usage spikes, and other interface issues. Mission Center has always been one of the cleanest and most modern system monitors for Linux, combining a Windows Task Manager style layout with Linux focused features. With this update, it's become even more powerful. Will you be trying Mission Center 1.2.0 or do you still prefer tools like BTOP or resources? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Linux news, software updates, and open source content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.